Welcome to Copy Studio. It's your dedicated engine for writing high-converting copy without that dreaded blank page struggle. Instead of guessing what words will drive clicks and sales, this tool gives you 29 proven copywriting frameworks across 7 categories. They're all designed to turn your raw ideas into polished, persuasive content. It completely removes the friction of writing so you can focus on running your business. Let me show you how easy it is to generate your next winning piece of copy. First, choose a framework that matches your specific goal, like the classic AIDA model for attention, interest, desire, and action. Just enter your product name and a few key details into the input fields. Then, select your desired tone, length, and the number of variations you'd like to generate. This structured approach makes sure your copy hits all the psychological triggers it needs. It gently moves your reader from passive scrolling to actually taking action. Really, you're essentially hiring an expert copywriter in seconds. Once your copy is generated, Copy Studio takes a look at it right away. It checks the readability and shows you a live persuasion score right there on your screen. This gives you a clear, objective measure of how convincing your text is before you ever cut it in front of your audience. If the score isn't quite where you want it, don't worry. You can use the one-click refine options to make the text shorter, punchier, or just more engaging. It takes the guesswork out of copywriting and gives you the confidence that your words will actually convert. You can also click over to the Analyze tag and paste in any existing copy. It doesn't matter if it's from your website, your emails, or your ads. We'll run a quick diagnostic check for you. Right away, the tool breaks down the readability and the persuasion metrics. It shows you exactly where your current text is losing the reader's interest. From there, just jump to the Refine tab. You can instantly polish that weak copy and optimize it into a high-converting asset. It's the fastest way to audit and upgrade your entire marketing message library in just minutes. Beyond AIDA, Copy Studio gives you 29 proven copywriting frameworks across 7 distinct categories. So whether you need a high-converting Facebook ad, a compelling landing page hero, or an engaging social caption, these battle-tested structures do the heavy lifting for you. Simply browse the categories to find the exact psychological angle that fits your campaign goals. Let's go ahead and choose the Problem Agitate Solution framework. It's really perfect for crafting messaging that hooks right into your readers' pain points. Once you've picked your framework, you can dial in the exact tone, the length, and the number of variations you want, all before you generate a single word. This makes sure every piece of copy matches your brand voice, while giving you plenty of powerful options to test in your outreach. If you've already got some copy that just needs a little work, don't worry. Just click the Refine tab and paste your text right into the editor. Then, with a single click, you can instantly make your copy shorter, punchier, or more engaging using the built-in refinement controls. It completely takes away the frustration of staring at a blank page, and you'll never have to manually edit your own drafts for hours ever again. When you choose a refinement, like making it punchier, the AI instantly rewrites your text to maximize impact and drive higher conversions. You'll see your persuasion score update in real time, giving you complete confidence that your new copy is optimized for your audience. Once you're satisfied with the results, simply copy the final text and drop it directly into your campaigns or landing pages, and that's exactly how it works. Why not give it a try yourself? Just download the app and start today.